our gas pasta noodle cooker. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 15 3/4 inches, a depth of 35.5 inches, and a height of 45 inches tall with wheels. Coming to the top will be 6 individual baskets to cook your noodles. Each basket will measure 4 3/4 inches in radius by 5.5 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 6 baskets that will be included with this pasta noodle cooker. Coming to the front will be a lever to control the faucet on top that will dispense the water on the area holding the baskets. Coming to the bottom is our ETL certification, along with the gas information, along with instructions instructing how to operate and run this pasta noodle cooker. Pilot, along with the thermostat, and everything else, the components within the pasta noodle cooker to run and operate this unit. Coming to the back will be 3 connections, one's for gas and 2 of them for water. So 2 water pipes along with the gas connection required to hook up this unit. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.